Item: SCP-297. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-297 is to be kept in a standard lockbox at Site-19's high-value item storage facility. Standard positive action defenses: explosive, chemical, biological, and memetic, are to be in place at all times, according to standard operating procedure. Personnel wishing to utilize SCP-297 for experimental or field purposes must fill out a Form 32 and submit it to the Head of Research and Containment. Description: SCP-297 is a transparent plastic vibrator, approximately 30 cm in length, 5 cm in width. Examination has determined that the internal structure has been heavily altered, and that the standard 6V power supply has been converted into what appears to be a micronized nuclear reactor powered by a small quantity of plutonium. In addition, the standard power intensity controls have been altered from the normal on-off switch with secondary intensity dial to a single 5-stage selector switch. The bottom 4 intensity levels, off, low, medium, high, appear to be within normal parameters for such a device, and can be used safely for such purposes if so desired. When turned to the highest intensity setting, labeled suicide, SCP-297's vibration frequency swiftly increases to upwards of 200,000 kHz. If the upper portion of the device is touched to any solid material, SCP-297 will change frequency to one that causes a positive harmonic feedback loop in the object, causing the object to lose cohesion within 60 seconds of continual contact. This invariably kills organisms that it is exposed to. Experimentation has determined that SCP-297 can disintegrate a 1 meter cube of concrete into powder within 10 seconds. The time required for other objects varies, based on the density and harmonic properties of the material. Due to the similarities between the effects of SCP-297 and SCP-1012, investigation into whether both effects are variations of the same phenomena are ongoing.